Ever try to send money on Venmo and suddenly, bam, payment declined? Even when you know your bank account or card has money? In this video, I'm breaking down exactly why that happens and how to fix it in under 5 minutes. And we'll make sure this never happens again. Part 1. Why your payment was declined. Let's start with the basics. Venmo declines a payment for 3 common reasons. Your bank or card blocked the transaction, Venmo flagged the payment for security reasons, or you're hitting Venmo's internal limits or verification roadblocks. Even if it's just $5, Venmo can block it if anything seems suspicious. Number 2, check the card or bank account connected to your Venmo. Open your banking app. Was there a fraud alert or declined transaction? Some banks auto-block digital transfers unless you approve them. If you see nothing's wrong, move on to the Venmo side. Try these quick fixes. So go to your settings, and then make sure your Venmo app is updated. So you can do that by going to settings, clicking on the app, or you can go to your app store or Play Store and make sure it's updated. If not, you can try logging out and logging back in. If that doesn't work, go to settings, go to apps, go to Venmo, and then press clear cache. Clear. Or you can try reinstalling the app completely. Venmo can glitch behind the scenes, and these steps can reset your session. So Venmo uses automated systems to prevent fraud. So if you type a suspicious note like crypto or drugs as a joke, yeah, don't do that next time. Or if you're sending a large amount without verifying your ID, Venmo will likely decline the transfer. On the Venmo app, go to settings and then identity verification to make sure your account is fully verified. Again, go to your account, go to settings, and then go to identity verification down below. Then you can make sure you're fully verified. Still not working? Don't wait. Talk to Venmo support. The fastest way is through the in-app chat under Get Help, or you can go to support.venmo.com. So go to your settings again, then scroll down till you see Get Help. From here, there's a help center, message center, more ways to get help, disputes, or you can chat with them. Tell them your payment was declined even though your bank is fine. They may reset your transaction history or manually approve your account. A fast fix. Just add a new debit card or bank account. Venmo might not like the current one. A fresh payment method resets their risk check system and lets your payment go through. That's it. If this video helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what area you want me to fix next. And remember, never joke in the notes and always verify your account. That's how you keep Venmo smooth and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.